Federal money for recovery from natural disasters is running low, and Congress must act soon when they return to Washington next week. The issue is front and center for those still recovering from the deadly wildfire in Hawaii last August. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales has more on that. Erik.
Good evening, Tracy. You may recall that fire pretty much wiped out Lahaina, the capital of Maui, killing over 100 people and causing billions in property damage. Federal disaster aid from FEMA helps communities rebuild and provides temporary assistance like emergency housing. U.S. House lawmakers held a hearing in Lahaina to get an update on whether the $3 billion that FEMA has provided was spent efficiently.
The United States needs to center affordable housing in its disaster response. I think this was a lesson from Katrina as well. I think what happened here is showing we are still struggling to understand how to provide housing in the wake of disasters.
One thing FEMA does is provide temporary housing for up to 18 months, and time is running out for the more than 12,000 people who were displaced. FEMA's regional director says a quick solution is not on the horizon.
Now you're talking over $1 million something per house to rebuild out here, which would not make it feasible based on the authorities that I have right now to do that. Our authority really focuses on, temporary solutions.
Families remain in temporary housing and face mounting costs from mortgage payments that will be owed once forbearance expires. Survivors struggle with financial instability, child care and health care needs, and increasing mental health concerns.
Residents say they want to rebuild, but need more help.
Lahaina is not just a place. It's a cherished, sacred part of Hawaii's identity. And as we move forward, we are committed here to ensuring that it shines brightly again.
But FEMA needs more money to keep providing services. Republican Senator Bill Cassidy knows firsthand about natural disasters. Louisiana is still recovering from the damage caused by Hurricane Katrina. But he also believes FEMA's housing dollars could be combined with community grants for a better outcome.
Instead of spending a lot of money for temporary housing, which is temporary, we could combine those dollars with other dollars to help come up with long-term, affordable housing solutions.
Senator Cassidy thinks more FEMA aid will be tied to a bigger spending bill to get it across the finish line sooner. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.